Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a hit from oneforma UHRS called Relevance Check Japanese. This one should be easy. We just have to confirm that this particular entity matches all the statements here below. So it's just a yes or no choices. So it might be difficult for some, but we'll jump into this and try to qualify. So first of all, we need to translate it using Google Translate. Unfortunately, if you highlight this, you cannot translate it to English automatically. So you need to open it on a new tab. So for this one, the entity is band, and then the name is Bell Tempo. So let's highlight this one, right click on it, and do Google Translate. Bell Tempo aims to be an area where elderly people, so that's a no. Moving on to the next. This one should be quick. It'll just require us to finish up 6 hits. Bell Tempo is a trattoria that opened in October 2017 and allows you to casually enjoy Italian cuisine. That's definitely a no. Let's translate this one as well. Bel tempo means fine weather. That's definitely a no. Submit it. We got it right. So it's easy, but it's tedious. So movie is True Heart. Let's do a translation of this first uh, sentences or paragraph. Provides such sales email. No, definitely that's going to be a no. And this one, let's try it. Do a Google translation. Hart believes that creating good profile determines 80% of marriage. Definitely not related to the entity. So mark that as a no. Let's move on here. Uh, so True Heart wants to be married. Tailor who offers a tailor-made encounters to each and every one of them. Definitely no, and submit it. We got it right. Moving on to the next is actor. Let's translate the name. Yuko Mochizuki. So let's go ahead here. And Yuko Mochizuki is conducting research to read past climate change from the Antarctic ice core. Definitely no. The person here is an actor or actress. That one is a different person. Is one such actress that's why she wants young people to know. That's a yes. That talks about the particular entity. Let's do another Google translation. Speaking of Isuko Mochika of the Tokyo Shimbun, it is famous that he asked a sharp question at Yoshori Suga, Secretary of State. However, okay, that's a different person, so that's a no. Let's give it a shot. Yep, we got it right. Again, just 6 hits. Moving on to the next one is food. Let's translate this. It doesn't work, so I have to open it on a new tab or a different tab. Screwdriver. That's a drink. Okay, screwdriver is a liquor. It's an alcoholic drink, rather. So Google Translate. Uh, Definitely no. That does not talk to, or that does not pertain to screwdriver, the alcoholic beverage. Uh, Screwdriver means screwdriver. It is said that an American who worked in Iran was thirsty. Okay, that's a yes. Moving on to the next is this. Translate it. Screwdrivers are said to have been drunk since the early to mid 1900s. Definitely talks about the entity. Submit it. We got it right. Moving on to the next is M83. M83 is a band. Okay, so let's translate this. paragraph. Galaxy Southern, definitely no. It talks about something else. Uh, okay, no as well. It talks about a galaxy, but the entity is actually a band. Okay, all no here. So submit it. We got it right. You see, it's tedious, but this hit pays 0.06, I think. Sports player, Google Translate, Hiroyuki Tominaga. This isn't him. Hold on here. Uh, Hiroyuki, the father of Tominaga, is a former. That's a yes. Well, it has a different photo. This one isn't Hiroki, but let's give it a shot. Tominaga is a scorer who won the top score with an average of 39.8 points into. Let's say yes as well. I hope we get this thing right. Um, Again, it is relevance check Japanese. It does not translate it, so let me just copy this and paste it right here. Koshi Tominaga, Japanese national team ace, contributed greatly to the victory. Okay, I hope we got this thing right. Okay, we passed the qualification. Again, it's relevance check Japanese. This is Ghost, the freelancer. I hope the video helped you out. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel for more videos like this, qualification videos, tutorial videos, what have you. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. By the way, we have a Facebook group called Clickworker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to answer the relevant membership questions and subscribe to this tutorial channel. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.